Hi, to enable and disable app drawer on your POCO F6, we would need to hold any free space on our home page like that till you can see this edit mode. So here select the settings icon, go in the more option, and after that select this first tab home screen, and now you'll see two options with app drawer or classic one. So each of the app will be displayed on your home page. And with app drawer, all of your apps you can find by swiping up. And also, if you choose to enable app drawer, you would be able to enable this feature app suggestions to display most frequently used apps in the drawer. And if you would like to disable this app drawer, go in the classic version, and that is how it will look now. Let me show you. Here is with the disabled app drawer, so as you can see we cannot swipe up to open the list of apps. Every app is displayed on the screen. Now let's enable it and I'm gonna show you the difference. So let's just hold any free space on the screen like we did before. Go into more settings and select with app drawer, and now let's save this setting. So now to check our apps we will need to swipe up, and here you'll find your drawer and also its categories. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.